Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Did you know that you can fire roll damp fillers like damp ashes and damp rust? That's what I want to demonstrate for you today. The reason it works is because I'm using an entire cotton ball. That cotton wicks the moisture away from the interior, that ever tightening core, and deposits that moisture on the table until that core gets dry enough and hot enough to ignite. And when it ignites, then it drives off the other moisture. Let me show you with rust first. It's got about 2 drops of water in it. That will definitely fire roll. All right, watch for the moisture being deposited on the table. Turn it 180 degrees so it won't get too tight on me. Turn it 180 degrees for the same reason. And now we'll do the ashes the same way. Still a lot of steam coming out of that fire roll. You see all that condensate right there on the cooler table? But it's ignited. turn it 180 degrees so this roll doesn't get so tight that even though I have an ignition, it snuffs the ignition out. Try that again. Even though our leaves are about to go to flames. Because this should have been the easiest one, but it's the easiest one that gives you the troubles, you know. That's 2 drops. That'll be enough. The last one was 3 drops. The other one should have worked. They weren't too wet. Let's try these. They have 2 drops of moisture in them, water. See the moisture coming out of that, the steam condensing on the cold table. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. catch you on the next one. Maybe we can get some flames if I turn it 90 degrees.